Are your Squalr Project apps crashing due to the Squalr Memory Engine DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. To start fixing Squalr Memory Engine manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the Squalr Memory Engine, the primary memory scanning engine for Squalr, a game hacking tool. It manages the localized process injection and pointer scanning routines. Because it manipulates other processes, it is a primary target for antivirus heuristics. If missing, the software will report, "Module could not be initialized." Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. The Squalr Memory Engine DLL library is bundled specifically for Squalr Project operations, and you must run the official setup for the program, encountering the error to repair the broken links and restore the missing data. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Squalr Memory Engine component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Squalr Memory Engine DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. To improve configuration awareness, the official maintenance resource linked below includes Squalr Memory Engine-related documentation. If your workstation is back online and Squalr Memory Engine is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.